Here's a quick way to use up some of that storm bread that you bought this week. I'm going to be using up these hot dog buns that I bought in bulk at Sam's, and I've broken up about 6 hot dogs buns and put them in the bottom of a greased 9 by 13 pan. You're going to need some Fiesta cheese, some half and half, 6 eggs, pack of sausage, a half a bar of cream cheese, a can of Rotel. And so the first step was to layer the sprayed dish with the hot dog buns. Then the brown sausage and the cream cheese goes in. And now I'm taking a drained can of Rotel and just going to spread this over the casserole as well. And then we're going to top it after we've got our 3 layers going. We're going to top it with this Fiesta cheese. And I'm going to cover this whole top. That's about 1.5 cups of cheese that I used. And then in a mixing bowl, I've cracked 6 eggs. I'm going to beat those well. Add a 1/2 cup of half and half. And your spices, which is a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, salt and pepper to taste. So after we've got this completely covered with cheese, I'm going to take that egg mixture that I have really beat well, pour it right on top of this casserole, and it's going to sink all the way down to that bread layer down on the bottom. Now you could use regular bread. I wanted to get rid of these hot dog buns before they went bad. And just pour that all over. I've got a 350-degree oven preheating. We're going to cook this for 40 minutes in the oven. It was so good. Now I'm going to go back and top it again with the cheese. You just can't have too much cheese. But it was very flavorful. That Rotel and the sausage always goes good together. So we're going to pop this in the oven, and I did cook it for 40 minutes. Came out nice and golden brown, and it was so delicious. There it is. It's completely done. You want to make sure that middle is good and done, and then I just scooped it out a square at a time. We had this for dinner tonight with some oranges, and you could have this for breakfast. So good. It was delicious and a good way to use up that bread. So give this recipe a try. I will link it in the comments below. Hope you all stay safe. We've got a big snowstorm going to hit us this weekend, but I'm ready. Thank you all for watching. Have a very blessed day.